Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first go to the notification bar, and now just tap here on the edit icon on the right upper corner. Okay, that now. And now, as can you see, we got here all the available shortcuts. And now if you want to remove, for example, one or two from this one, just tap here to the minus near the right upper corner of the icon, for example like this. And also if you want to add one from these removed icons, just tap on the plus on the right upper corner. Also you can just change the icon's position here. Just press for a second on the icon and drag it to the another icon where you want to just change the position. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.